In this video, you'll learn how to sign out of your Trust Wallet account efficiently. By following these steps, you will ensure that your account remains secure and your information is protected. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Google. Once the Google homepage loads, you will have access to search for the Trust Wallet extension. This is crucial for managing your Trust Wallet account directly from your browser. Next, locate the Trust Wallet extension on your browser. If it is not pinned to your toolbar, click on the extensions icon, usually represented by a puzzle piece. This will display a list of installed extensions. Find and click on the Trust Wallet extension to open it. After the extension opens, look for the gear icon labeled Settings within the Trust Wallet interface. Clicking on this icon will direct you to the Settings menu where you can manage your account preferences and security options. Once you are in the Settings menu, find the option labeled Lock. This feature allows you to sign out of your Trust Wallet account securely. Click on Lock and the extension will promptly sign you out, ensuring that your account is no longer accessible from your current session. Alternatively, if you wish to sign out quickly, you can simply close the browser window or tab where the Trust Wallet extension is open. This action will automatically log you out your account, providing a fast way to secure your information without navigating through menus. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.